In this video, I'm going to show you how to change default paste options in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open up your OneNote application. Whether you're using OneNote for Windows 10 or the OneNote desktop app for Microsoft 365, these steps generally apply across the board. Once you're in, look for the file option in the upper left corner of the window. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll find a host of options related to your notebook and application settings. Next, navigate to the options menu. This is where you'll configure the settings for your OneNote experience. Click on options and a new window will pop up, displaying various customization possibilities for your app. Here, you can tweak everything from your default font and language settings to more advanced options. Now within this options window, you'll see a section labeled Advanced. Click on Advanced to proceed. This area hosts deeper settings that control how OneNote behaves in terms of user interface, editing, and even display options. Finding this section is crucial as it contains the Show Paste Options button, which we are looking to adjust. Once you're in the advanced settings, look for Paste Options. This setup controls how your pasted content will be formatted when you insert it into your notes. By default, OneNote might handle pasted content in a specific way that doesn't suit your style or needs, so customizing these settings can be quite useful. Now that you've found the Show Paste options, you'll want to enable it. This ensures that whenever you paste something into your OneNote document, you can manually choose how to format it on the spot. This level of control can help you maintain a consistent style across your notes, whether you prefer to keep the source formatting or merge with the current page. Finally, after making sure the Show Paste options is enabled, you'll want to confirm your changes. Scroll down and click OK to apply these settings. After doing this, you'll see your adjustments reflected the next time you paste something into OneNote. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps to take control over how your content is pasted in OneNote. By customizing these options, your note-taking process becomes more efficient and you can focus more on what matters, getting your ideas down without interruption. Remember, you can always come back to these settings and tweak them as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you make the most out of your OneNote experience.